I'm a small shopkeeper using calC. I've already typed in the tax rate and also the cost of an item, and now I want to work out the tax. So I take the item cost. You notice I just click to get the item cost, and I'm going to add the VAT, which is going to be the item cost times the tax rate divided by 100, and I get the total cost. Only suddenly I realised I actually typed the cost of the item wrong. It isn't £11.57; it's £15.17. So, but happily I can edit it. So I put £15.17 instead, and you notice it updated my calculation just like a little spreadsheet. If I do this multiple times, perhaps I make a copy of this and I reuse it, I might decide it'd be useful to name the items. So I'm going to actually just name that first one VAT rate, and you notice in the calculation it changes to say VAT. What we see here is a web page that's been enhanced using WS2 to show the impact of a universal basic income. You can see here it sets a potential rate at £600 and how much that is per month and how much that is annually. If I edit this rate, perhaps I think that £600 a month was too much, I'll put it down to 500. And we can see the annual income has changed correspondingly. And furthermore, if I look at that in detail, I can see exactly how it was derived from the basic income per month. This can be applied actually to tables as well. So if I go down the page, we have a table that looks at different items. And here, let's look at this extra tax. How much more tax would somebody pay on if there was a universal income going? And each column has a calculation attached to it. But also we can look at individual items. Say there's 2,500 here, and we can see how it's been calculated using both general values like the income tax, but also the particular value of the income, which in this row is £50,000 a year. We're looking here at a BBC webpage about the 2021 Hurricane Ida. You can see numeric information on the page has been highlighted. The bottom here, there's a reference to 478 square kilometres of sugarcane crops. If I hover over that, TSoW shows this in terms of the Isle of Wight and shows a dynamic graphic.